and welcome. My name is Firefighter Paul. And welcome to a new series called Make and Bake from Dorset and Wiltshire Fire and Rescue Service. We're going to show you how to make some tasty treats. Now remember, I'm on call, so if my alerter goes off, then I've got to skedaddle because I've got a fire call. So what are we going to make on Make and Bake today? We're going to make some lovely microwave brownies. Yum, yum, yum. First off, we've got to go and wash our hands. So let's go. That's better, all nice and clean. So what are we going to need for this make and bake? For this make, we're going to need some flour and we're going to need an egg. We're also going to need some cocoa, some almond essence, 2 squares of chocolate, a little bit of butter and some sugar. Let's get on with the make. Now I've put berries on top of my microwave mug brownie, but you can put anything. Custard, treacle, maple syrup, whatever you really, really like. Right, that's all I've got time for on Make and Bake today, because I want to go and eat this. See you later. Take care.